this up. Doesn't matter. We're connected. Then we put this.
Huh?
Properties.
That's not a fan.
Oh, sorry.
Mommy, can I show my jewels that I have a container in?
Yeah, sure. Hold on. So beautiful.
That I have a container in. Make it small.
I'll make it like. And put it like right here.
No, not high.
This is the gameplay. You want it low? I don't know, like right here.
Yeah, let's put it all the way at
No,
the
I'm
wall.
telling you, this is the spot right here. I don't like it. I kind of don't like it at the wall, because when it's off the wall, it gives like the more immersive vibe. Now let's go to games, D drive, scroll stapler.
Remember when it was creeping and it was so loud?
Yeah, I know. I mean, it still is loud. Just please don't reset me to day 1. We're on day 3, I think.
Yeah.
Shit. Oh man, this game is so scary, bro. Oh man, Layla Grace, what do we do?
I don't know.
In 5 days, God is coming. We're on day 3. I think we get the 2 free ones.
Oh
right.
yes! It saved us.
By the way, you thought this game was so boring at the start, right? When you saw it in the house, and then we walked outside and it was so beautiful. It was fun for you.
Yeah.
I know. In the house is so.
Stay on some day 3.
In the house is so scary and boring, and then there's like the weird bloody thing on the wall, which is actually our wife. LO. Yeah, I know.
Wait, we got to use the thing and throw them?
Yeah, and then we basically kill squirrels, and then we staple the squirrel skin to our wife on the wall to replace her skin. It's pretty evil, but anyways, it's yeah, this is the dad, and then it's pretty creepy. We're playing as the dad, so we're actually holy. But actually, can I tell you something?
What?
The house is pretty scary and creepy. Then we walk outside and it's so beautiful.
I know.
And so good graphics. I mean, actually,
At least they saved our game.
Actually,
at least our saved.
Yeah, kind of. I mean, the graphics
We're
are.
still on day 3.
I mean, the graphics are, but they're like the good kind of shit. What the? I've never been to the radio tower before.
Oh, this is new, right?
Yeah.
How are you gonna heal? That heal. Why is there a bear? Maybe it's behind you right now. Check.
No, we'll hear it before it comes. Oh my god.
Oh! What was that?
Vengeful ghost squirrel.
Ghost squirrel? Try to go.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, why do you shoot it?
Oh, 3 shots to kill it. Okay.
He's getting my gun. You need more. Guys, you need more.
I need the big one. Oh man.
Don't tell me another bear is gonna come.
Let me see. First, I gotta check one thing. Hold on. Oh, we're good. I just had to check the space.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, we need that.
Oh, how about you just go run? Run for it. Shift.
There we go.
Shift.
Oh, I think I see some. Oh, yeah, that's
Come
right.
on. Get it. Get it. Good. That's the rock.
Oh my god.
Is it? I gotta see what is that. Go over there. You might get it.
Oh, yeah, I got it. It's not going anywhere.
Go get it
I'm
then.
looking for more. Hold on.
Just grab it. Come on. Just go get it. Oh. That's a normal one.
Oh, shit. Wait, that one. Ah, yes. That's exactly what I need.
Big one?
We got a problem.
What?
I hear it. Oh, man, I hear it.
We're going to safety area.
I
Go
don't need...
in your safety. Go in your safety area.
I got the big one.
We just need 4. We just need 3 more. We just need 3.
No, we just need 2 more regular.
Yeah. How
It's
did
fine.
that hurt?
I don't know. Every time you go in that rock thing, it like damages you.
2 more guns.
I might just run back home and just get the squirrels over there.
I hope you know where home is.
Yeah, I know.
You've been far away from it.
Hold on.
Check your map if you need help. My tongue cannot be shopping straight up. Look.
I know. I'm
Keep
sorry
staying
for your
up,
retainer. Oh, what the fuck?
Bro.
So good.
Oh, yes. We're getting chased by the squirrel bear.
Ah! Hurry! Do another one! Do another one! Do another one!
Get absolutely owned. Wait, squirrel?
Squirrel?
No, it's ammo.
Oh, ammo? Somebody else?
Wait, that's a squirrel? No.
What are ammos? What are ammo?
Like bullets.
Bullet?
Yeah.
There's another bullet. Where?
It's just we need to make sure we have 3. So we can kill the bear. Honestly, the bear doesn't matter. Because even if it hurts us, we'll just heal. Honestly, it's honestly better just not to kill the bear.
Yeah. Let us float on us and then it can get way more health.
Yeah.
There's a health right there.
Yeah, I mean, we're full health. Where are we? Oh my god, we're in the middle of nowhere.
You're not even walking home.
I know. Oh my god. Oh my god.
There's a squirrel.
No, why was I had to reload? Hold on. No, I missed. Why'd I miss? No, why'd I keep missing? No, 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 run away. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can do this.
Hurry.
No, I have one more bullet.
I can't do my Game Boys anymore. I think one. You need one more bullet. You need one more, but you lost all your bullets. You're in the middle of nowhere. Where are you? You're not even at home. You're in the middle of nowhere. So you have your shotgun.
No, this is the wrong way. It's gotta go this way. Every day you can commit sins at the shady.
Okay.
What the fuck was that? I thought we were about to get teleported in the house. You gotta be trolling me. Dude, we just got jump scared.
We need more bullets.
Heck no, yeah, I'm just gonna get this soda and dip.
Oh, bullet!
So our house should be at the end of this. We just gotta keep going.
Okay.
Reloading.
Yeah.
Show the viewers your new smile. So
Thank you.
beautiful. So beautiful. Oh
You
my
might see the line.
Wait, hold on. Show them again.
You
So
might
beautiful.
See the lines.
Sorry.
It's okay. Okay, no, it looks weird.
Oh my god.
for me.
Are you talking about the red lines on the thing? Or are you talking about the
No.
lines on your teeth? Oh yeah.
Those ones. They might look weird. Oh, there's the home.
Okay.
Just wait. Can you look for the windows?
Why is she at the dinner table? Hold. Sorry, I forgot. I stapled the squirrel shirt. That's why it's called squirrel stapler. You scroll the staplers to her dead body.
And there's her head inside your room.
Yeah, okay, so she moved, I guess.
Her head?
Look at the screen. Is the screen not funny?
Yeah, it is funny.
Okay, we're at 20. Okay, damn.
Huh?
It's running through it.
Okay, day 4.
This game, like, runs through the memory.
How do you run through the halls? Should we check on our mom's body?
Oh my god, does she move again?
Where is she? Oh my god.
Oh man. Oh, so she's chilling. She's chilling.
I wonder where our mom on the dinner table. Mom must be chopped. Day 4. I'll try.
A4. Alright, XL.
Every time it has like a 5 normal one. But
So
only
four
one
squirrels
more.
and an XL. Dude, the XL is the hardest one to get. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I think it's a large.
Alright.
It's large.
Yeah, hold on. Wait, hold on. There's a squirrel right there. Oh my god! What the fuck? We're good. We're good. Just relax. Focus up. We're good. I'm gonna kill him. You know,
Is God here?
next day. Oh my god!
It's okay. We're dead.
It's okay. It's okay. It's not scary like that.
Scary you go behind me, okay? Okay, Anthony. And Anthony, if you see me smiling and you see these, come look at me. If you see these, that's my retainer, okay? In my mouth. And it's so weird.
I'm moving these files over.
How do we restart?
Restart day.
I hope it's day 4 still, right?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. I wonder where our mom is. Let's check the dinner table. Check the dinner table.
No, she's at the wall still. She's at the wall by the bed. Oh, we just got... Oh my god, why am I getting rolled?
Is it day 1?
Yeah. Alright, so...
It's 4. Day 4.
So 2
day
bears
1.
will kill us and make us reset the day. It's looking like more bears are coming.
And I thought that rock was a squirrel upside down.
The problem with the F thing and like... I'm supposed to follow the sound of the animals. But it's on speaker. Oh my god, bro. What the heck?
Man, hurry! 1, 2, 1.
It's okay, we're good.
We only have 2 bullets left.
Oh my god.
What is that?
A vengeful ghost squirrel.
Adventures.
Dude, we're getting swarmed right now by stuff.
We only got 1 thing left.
Oh my god, I need these bullets.
Definitely.
Hold on, there's another bear. Wait, hold on.
Who's following
I don't care. It's better off to just hide.
Ah!
Fuck. That's bad.
No poo.
It's fine, we need health. Oh
And
man.
more bullets.
Yeah, I know.
Because we only got 2 squirrels.
Okay, these got transferred. Make sure these got transferred. 420. Then delete. So I'm getting more space. No, why did I do that? The health is over here. Okay. Knew that. I would say we need bullets, but we don't really need bullets. But we need bullets anyways. Okay.
Can you check out we're in the middle of nowhere?
We're in the middle of the map, kind of.
So we're not even near our house.
Yeah. To be honest, we're looking for.
Look for a bear.
No, we don't need the bear. We need the fat squirrel, the double XL squirrel.
You mean the large squirrel? Anthony, this video is going on your channel. Video is going on your channel, Anthony.
There.
Do it.
There we go. He should be in it. Okay. I'm going up here to get this. So wait.
Pepsi soda. I brought out soda.
No, but that's the spot where he was like, God is here, right? Let me see. What's this? Found geocache. Oh. Find all 5. Wait. Oh, damn.
What is that? When does
Nothing.
dawn start?
Next day.
How long is a day?
As long as it takes for us to kill all these squirrels.
And a bear's coming.
No, the bear's not coming. Wait.
Not even
Oh my God.
with it.
This one squirrel.
Oh, that's a normal one. That's a normal one. I can't do this. I can't do this. Yeah, I can't do that with my container on.
Sorry.
Do it out my container. Guys, normal one. Not a big one. I'm up.
Oh my God, I thought these were bullets. We're fine, because we're going to come here and get this thing.
I think I need more bullets.
Yeah, no, we're going to...
What is that?
Dude, she's right. Why did... Our wife is following us outside. Dude, that's a jump scare. Dude, the fact that we turn around and she's just following us is insane.
Bro. It's like red light green.
Oh my God. Oh. You know, we're just going to run.
Run for it.
Actually, he can hit us. Shit. I'm chilling, we're chilling. Just don't even worry about it.
Mama's folding it.
Oh my God. Wait, I might have found a double squirrel. Hold on. Double squirrel? Oh man, that's not good. Alright, oh man, where were we? We need to get back to the open field.
Where's the heel guy?
This thing. Need that.
Is the guy gone? Where is our mom's dead body?
Oh my God. Okay, he's blown up.
So waste our time, right?
Yeah, I know.
Waste our whole time to kill him. Like, oh.
Yeah, I know. We need the fat squirrel.
Fat squirrel.
Yeah. It's this way.
Don't tell me a bear is going to show up. Don't tell me there's a bear going to show up.
I mean, I hear it. Do you guys hear it?
No. I hear footsteps. I hear the bear noise.
Oh my god, is that it? Hold on.
No,
Nice.
that's Lay. That's a little.
Shit.
That's a little gummy thing.
Hold on.
Is it gay
That's a regular squirrel.
to walk around with? He's a big fat squirrel. Or large squirrel. Is it gay?
So everyone relax.
I think I should stop opening my mouth. Do you think I should stop opening my
Oh
mouth?
shit.
So you think I should stop opening my mouth?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you're good. Do what you want.
But my phone might fall out. He is weird.
It's okay. Oh man, this is really bad.
What?
I took some damage. It's like, because I don't want to reset the day. Oh my god, this thing. Hold on, dude. Lock in. This thing.
Lock in.
Oh! Whoa, shit. Come on. I gotta chase it.
It went that way. Ooh. There. I pressed this little baby.
I'm running.
Precious little baby. Precious little baby. Yes!
Oh my god, and we're almost home too. Which way's home?
Check them
I
out.
think it's this way.
Yeah, it is.
Let me check my space.
Go back home.
Alright.
Daddy.
Let me clear some more space while I do this.
Dad?
Huh.
Look at this. I can feel the little string right back here with my tongue.
Oh, you like it now?
Yeah.
It's kind of fun.
Yeah, but it feels weird on the top. Touching my gum and it feels weird.
Get Dibby in the video.
Debbie, I see your leg, Debbie. I see his
Alright.
leg on the screen.
It's hope we don't get scared. Because the thing with these games is the longer you play them, the scarier they get.
Where's my mom? Oh. She's not there. Yeah.
Look at the screen.
Look at
You are
Anthony.
sleeping.
You are sleeping. It's hard for me to say sleeping. Us. Let's see if she's at the dinner table.
Oh, she's right here.
Is it also become God? No, the other body.
Yeah.
I'm just scared. Sometimes she's at the dinner table. I'm just scared.
No, you don't have to be scared. It's not a jump scare.
She's not at the dinner table.
God is coming today.
God is coming today?
By God, they mean the God of all squirrels. Hold on, I'm almost at my space thing.
God of all squirrels?
Yeah, God of all squirrels. Squirrel.
Things are moving it, Anthony.
It's scary, trust me.
It's not good to me.
Hold on, I just need to clear my space.
The scary part is the killing. The oofing.
Yeah, I know.
I forgot I can
these
say
two?
killing. Oofing. Or dead. Oofing. Oofing.
Alright, clear some space.
I hope
Oh
we don't
my
oof.
God, no.
Where's it
Please.
clicking?
Please.
Day 5.
Oh yes, alright, one XO. Oh, so we just need to run around until we find the XO one. And then we can just chase it down.
You mean large?
Yeah.
You don't have to say XL. You can just say large.
What do you think XO is? Extra large. I like how they restarted us with health and ammo. Oh, so the problem is there's two things that attack us. There's the vengeful ghost squirrel, which runs at us.
Not that.
And Emerald Bear.
Yeah. What? Oh man. We got a problem, Lady Grace. We got a problem, Anthony. Can I tell you guys what the problem is? God is coming.
God of squirrels?
Yeah, the God of all squirrels.
Where is it?
What happens if we get extra large? And how do we finish Little wasn't dead.
Oh my,
but
there's
they-
squirrel. There's
the
squirrel.
extra
Hold on.
large.
Where's it at? Oh my god. No, why they're so fast?
Oh,
I got one of
there
them.
was one.
Where's God?
No,
Guys,
I really missed that guy.
squirrels.
Hold on. I got lock in. I got one more
It's
shot.
guys, squirrels.
I got it. Alright. That's fine. I'm not even gonna look at it. So blow me up.
What's the bear?
Oh no. I might just kill. Ah! What the freak? It's fine. It's fine. Let's go. Let's go collect our squirrels.
Almost made my container fall out.
I'm sorry.
What the fuck?
They're just creepers. That's it. Can I tell? Whoa! There's a squirrel over this hill. This-
Okay, you just need one more, right?
Mhm.
And you get the last one. You have to find the extra large. Okay.
Last and after extra large, God is here,
God is coming today. That's a normal one. Perfect. Ooh, you got on first try.
Yeah, I know. We're good. We just need to get the big squirrel.
Nah.
How long does this
Oh, there's a ghost. There's a ghost coming. Where's it at?
There we go.
It's fine. They just do creeper explosions. There it is. Oh, and there's this guy. Look at this guy. I might just let this guy hit us. I'm gonna let him hit us. Can I tell you why?
Why?
Because there's a health right here. Because I want to save my ammo. So I don't really want to waste bullets on him.
I still feel it. That's why I was making noise. I'm feeling the string of my tongue. That's why. That's why I'm making weird noises.
Sorry, it's fine. You'll get used to it.
It might be inside the God is here area.
God is here. This area?
That is soda bar. Yippee! What happens if you jump off?
Dude, were all these trees like moving before?
No.
You see that, right?
Uh-huh.
Look. Hold on.
Oh, it's the squirrels up in the tree.
I thought that too, but I don't know.
Oh, the first round I saw them moving.
Fuck.
The first round I saw them moving. I'm sure. I promise. I saw some trees moving.
Where is the squirrel?
Oh my god, right here?
You'll see. Bro,
There's
that's
baby
the
squirrel.
normal one.
Oh man.
I
I really feel a lot safer when the speed boost activated. I'm trying to go in the direction that makes the squirrel cry louder.
Yeah.
Nah, it's this way. No. Man. Oh, it's loud. It's getting loud.
Probably somewhere.
We're fine.
He's not as as me.
Oh my god. I found it. I found it.
Come on, little buddy.
Yes. Okay, we got a problem. God is coming. I must prepare to meet God. Oh man, God is coming in 2 minutes. Alright, let's
Hurry! Hurry
Hold on,
up,
hold
it
on.
might be the time is done.
Oh my god, we can't pause. It's not letting us pause. It's not letting us do nothing. Okay, we gotta go.
Get your bullets ready.
Yeah, shoot the God.
Get the
we
bullets
need to go this
ready.
Hold on, we're going this way, going this way.
Where the rock is?
Yeah, we're gonna get to the higher ground. Oh man.
Hurry up.
Oh man. I hope this isn't too scary. Oh man. Did we come?
Hurry up. Block. can't do that with my mouth.
Is this a good spot?
Yeah. Hurry,
Okay.
go up in that one. That one. That big one. Hurry! Hurry! Chop, chop. Come on.
Wait, you hear
Go
that
up!
music?
Go
Yes,
up!
and I don't like
Be
it.
quiet.
Go up!
Be quiet, little.
Guys, go up on that one.
Yo, I'm not playing this shit, bro.
Go up! Come on! Hurry!
I can't go up there. It's not a spot.
This is just like music from the Minecraft.
No, oh man, I'm not playing this shit. Oh.
Here.
You win.
You win. Yay!
What the fuck?
Yay!
Was that scary?
Yeah. Alright, tell them thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye. And
Show
my,
your new smile.
What the fuck?
My own. My,
Baby, say thanks for watching. Bye.
things al- My things
Thanks for
almost
watching, bye.
came out.
Never seen my wife.
My things almost came out.
Oh my heck no.
I had to push them up with my hand.
Alright, well, we can
And
actually
the
just keep
back end.
recording. We'll just keep recording like this. We'll just chill.
What the fudge?
At least we beat that game, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh my god.
Let's look at the god this in
God
Let's
is
see.
here. Last time
Let's
I
see.
was
Let's see what
outside.
the Wikipedia says.
What does it look
Dave.
like this?
Yeah, I know that's what it is. God, Squirrel Stapler. We didn't even get to see it for that long.
I don't know.
After the player collected the required number of squirrels, there's a 2-minute countdown before God becomes active, during which the choir sings the phrase, "God is coming progressively louder."
God
Once the timer
is
reaches 0,
coming.
yeah. God is coming. Once the timer reaches 0, God becomes active after a short delay.
this.
Yeah.
God is coming.
Not to hear this.
After a few seconds, God will stop moving when the player looks in God's direction. And a second later, the game ends.
This is annoying for my wiggly teeth.
What the hell was
These
that?
are I'll show you which ones are my wiggly teeth.
Mm.
These two.
What's the
These
top
two.
page?
These two. Good.
That's a
My
good
question,
thing.
what's the top page?
Huh?
What's the top page of the week?
What do you mean?
Like those.
Those little notes.
Oh, these notes?
No, the top page of the week.
I don't know.
No, like
Ow.
those right there. Like the tiny squares.
Oh, these? Oh, top pages of the week. Squirrel Stapler, The Maze. Which are the mazes? They're just scary games. Hell no.
At least we beat the game.
Mhm.
Right?
Mhm.
Right, guys?
God is here.
Should I stop the video or no?
God is here.
Should I stop the video?
No. It's fine.
I don't like it staring at me.
Alright, so say bye. Say
In the
hello.
video,
Bye-bye.
it wasn't even scary in the
See
video.
you next time with
So that,
What's this on?
so that was
That's
cat.
weird thingy on my mouth. I mean the container.
Hold on, do that
It's not
again. Do that again.
It's called a poop.
Oh man.
Raise your hand if you've seen it.
Bye
Here,
bye.
Magic.
See you next
Wait a
time.
second, I got
with-
that weird thing in my mouth.
I got a weird thing in my mouth. Bye bye.
I know,
See
not
you
this one,
next
so every
time.
season, so bad.
See you next
Wait,
time.
do the see you next time.
God is here.
Press yes.